Hey guys, I'm back with another question from M3 September 2020 exam. Before going to the solutions, please subscribe to the channel. The question is find the inverse Z transform of u bar of z, which is equal to z over z minus 2 into z minus 3. Okay, so there is no formula for finding inverse Z transforms. We need to use standard sets of conversions, standard set of transforms, such as we know a power n. If you take Z transform, it will be z over z minus a. So if you take Z inverse Z transform of Z over Z minus a, it will be a power n. So we need to convert this u bar of z in terms of Z over Z minus a. Okay, so we need to split the denominator. How do we do that? We use partial fractions. Okay, so most of the times all the Laplace inverse or Z inverse consist of doing Laplace transform, solving Laplace transform. So before doing that, we need to write given function as u bar of z over z, okay, because this z will become this z in the numerator later. Okay. So if you bring this z this side, what will happen? Here you will have left 1 over z minus 2 into z minus 3, right? So this I will split in like this: a over z minus 2 plus b over z minus 3. Okay. Now we need to find a and b. How do we do that? Here, if you send this z minus 2 to z minus 3 this side, what will you get? 1 is equal to a into z minus 3 plus b into z minus 2. Okay. Now if you substitute z equal to 3, what will you get? 1 as it is. A into 3 minus 3 is 0 plus b into 3 minus 2 is 1. So you will get b equal to 1 equal to b times 1, that will be b equal to 1, right? And if similarly if you substitute z equal to 2, what will you get? 1 equals to a, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus b, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we will get minus a is equal to 1, means a is equal to minus 1. So if you substitute a and b values here, what will you get? U bar of z over z is equal to a over z minus 2, that will be minus 1 over z minus 2, plus b over z minus 3, that will be 1 over z minus 3. Okay, or you can write it like this: u bar of z is equal to, if you send this z this side, it will be multiplied to both the numerators. Okay, so we will write minus z over z minus 2 plus z over z minus 3. See, this is same as this z over z minus a. In place of a, I have 2. In place of a, I have 3 here. So the inverse Z transform of these two terms is just a power n, or 2 power n and 3 power n respectively. So what I will get is taking inverse Z transform of u bar of z is un minus, as it is, z over z minus 2 is a power n, that is 2 power n, plus z over z minus 3 is 3 power n. So this is the way you take inverse Z transform. Okay, you use partial fractions to split the given question and bring that to known form, known identities. You can call them identity transforms. Okay, and then convert by comparison.